Hi, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to work out the percentage questions. I know we have done them, some of them before, but these are slightly different, or I would say a bit advanced level. So it's very simple, but we'll still do them. For example, if we talk about question number two, or let's say start from question number one. Question number one, it says find 70%. So again, it's easy to find 50% first. So we can work out 50% of 170. And 50% means half. If you don't know what is half of 100, so you can do it like this. What is if you don't know what is half of 170, so you can divide it into two parts. I'm just going to do it here, 170. So you know that what is half of 50, half of 100, that is 50. What is half of 35? Sorry, half of 70, that's 35. So we add 50 and 35. So when we add them, so we get 85. So 100, half of 170 or 50% of 170 will be 85. So I'm just going to rub this rough working here. So this is the method I just showed you, how to work out 50% of any number. So you can just divide it into two equal parts, like the way I did 170. Now, okay, what is 50% of 170? That is 85, as I said, right? Then we find 10%. Okay, 10%. Remember, I told you in the previous video that for 10% we move decimal to the left, so it's 170. So it will become 17.0, and then another 10%, that will be again 17.0. Now we can start adding them. So this is 0, then decimal, and 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So we write 9 plus 1, carry forward here. So 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 10, 11. So it will be 119, right? So 70% of 170 is 119. Now I'm going to show you how to do 26%, which is something slightly different than the one we have done before. Again, we start with 10%. Remember, we did it in I explained in previous video, like do 10%, so that's 90. What is 10? Again, 10%, that will be 90, because for 10% we move decimal one place to the left, so it was 900, so it will become 90. So now we have to find 5%, and because 5 is half of 10, so we can half 90, so it will be 45. Then we can work out 1%. So 1% is basically for 10% we move decimal one place to the left. So for 1% we will 10% we move one place to the left. For 1% we'll move one place, another one place to the left. So it's 9. Now we can add then 9 plus 5 is 14. So we write 4 and 1 carry forward. And then we add all of them. So it's 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. It's a bit messed up here. So I'm just going to write 234. This will be the answer. Now we have to find 16%. In the question number 3, we have to find 90%. It's very easy. You can find for 50% and then 10%, 10%, 10% 4 times, so it will become 90%. I'm sure you can do it. I'm going to show you this one, which is what is question number 4, which says what is 84% of 600. So what we do, we can do find 50%. That's easy to find. 50% means half of 600, so that is 60. Sorry, that 50% is 300, because that's half. Then we find 10%. So 10% will be 10% of 600 is 60. Then we find another 10%, that's 60. Then we find another 10%, that's 60. Then we can find 1%. What is 1% of 6? 1% of 600? that is 6. Because we have to find 4%, so we can add 6 4 times. So it will be, so 4% will be 24. Now what we do, we add all of them. So remember, this is 60. Okay, now we add all of them. So 0 0 0 0 0, that will be 0. Now 6 plus 6 is